How many pages you told? 3 pages.
So I'll be talking about hallmarks of cancer. There is attributes, biological capabilities that distinguish and enable evolutionary 100% only, because what I said was keywords, then I did the explanation which of that concept. I'm like very happy.
That book to everyone.
In
People
this,
see that book. See that book now.
in this book,
Ah.
so I have a
Oh,
mark
man.
for that concept because it's so difficult for me.
Oh,
And these type of pages with all the words which are important,
oh
it's
God. Ah.
that small box which I showed you of pictures is this
Ah.
3 pages.
Wow, wonderful. Okay.
And I
All
have
3
to,
pages put it into one picture now.
yes, one that small box which I'm going to recite now.
Please start, please. Yes.
So I'll be talking about hallmarks of cancer. It was discovered by Hanahan and Weinberg in 2000. And the definition is that there is uh, uh, there is attributes, biological capabilities that distinguish and enable evolutionary advantage for the function and growth of cancers. So first point is sustained proliferative signaling. In that so the cell generates its own growth signals and reduces the dependence on the extracellular growth signals in the tumor microenvironment, and that it does by 3 things. One is alteration of extracellular growth signals, then so it generates more growth factors. The second is through alteration in transcellular receptors. So more number of receptors creates a hyper responsive state, which previously the previous amount of growth receptors create more signaling. And third point is through intracellular circuit, alteration of intracellular circuits, where the downstream pathways become downstream circuits become more activated, and without the ongoing proliferative signals. The second point is the somatic mutations, they activate the downstream pathways, like in they activate the somatic mutations, activate downstream pathways like the RAS-RAF MAP kinase pathway, like in pancreas KRAS and melanoma BRAF. Those are the examples. Then there is also disruption. Next point is disruption of negative feedback mechanism, which is example is RAS and loss of PTEN mutation causes PIK3 activation, and then the hyper stimulation of oncogenes like RAS and MYC cause the cells to transform to a non-proliferative but viable state called senescence. And whenever there is a better environment, the tissue microenvironment improves, conditions improve, the cells change back into proliferative phase. That is
brilliant. So now Rohi, tell us how many pages you told? 3 pages.
3 pages of that big book.
Okay, now check how much is your retention. Did you worry on it? Because what you sent me, I can't understand all those terminologies are there. You check your book and tell me, have you made it full 100%? Is it the retention? Please check and let me know.
Yes, sir, it's 100% only, because what I said was keywords, then I did the explanation which of that concept that I can do in my own words. I didn't miss anything.
Perfect, superb.
Yeah, I didn't miss anything.
Wonderful. Give her a big round of applause. So this is Dr. Rohi doing her super specialty in oncology. You saw the size of her book, right? And 3 pages she reduced into one single page by following all the memory techniques, and she's able to memorize that. Yes, Rohi, what opened up for you? What clarity you got today?
Sir, this is the one concept which I wanted to learn, which was evading me. And I am going to do this for all the 14 points, and I'm going to reduce it to one page, so that and these are 14 long questions and 14 short questions as well. Like each
Yeah.
point is a long question and a short question. So I am like very happy.